guys. Today I'm gonna help you paint your floors. Okay, this is an example for a wooden floor. I'm gonna go ahead and probably get this size of brush. Get a nice wood floor color. I like to go kind of light. I've drawn my lines out, and as you can see, they go along parallel, and then they kind of start to go the other way towards the end. I just get in here, and I'm gonna mix a little brown with that. And you wanna float some water in there. So, I actually leave a little bit of, I'm gonna pull some of that water out. See how much is on there? Use my brush like a sponge. Okay, and then come over here. I leave a little tiny white line in between each one, and that kind of gives it a highlight and separates the floor. You know, you want to do that rather than paint the whole thing one flat color and then try to do your wood slats. Okay, and then I just bring that in to the edge, come on down. Okay, like that. So you can vary them in different colors as you go. Get that nice and thin. Don't let the colors touch. Okay, bring that around. Get some water. Water is the best thing. Okay, I might pull a little of that out. Dry it. Pull. Okay, you can see that I've done my wooden floors right here on this one, and they've come out all the way like that, okay? So then I'm gonna put this over here, okay, the wooden floors, and I'm gonna do some window panes. So what I do for my window panes, I like to use a really light blue to represent white. So I'll just I'm gonna do this inside one first. Come on in. You can use gray too if you want. Like a light, I wouldn't use black actually. I would use burnt umber and dark blue to get a gray, because the black is just a little too strong for a shadow to make white. I always like to use the blue. We're gonna use the umber for the inside of the window, for the glass. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this off. I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm gonna come over here to this little one from my kit and kind of go like that. I'm not gonna do the outside part yet, so I'm gonna let that be nice and light in the middle, okay? Because I want that white, so I'm just gonna use water, straight water. Come around, and then come into the middle one. Turn my paper. You can turn your paper. So I'm going to have it darkest up against each one of these lines. Rinse. Just straight water. Just pull that around. Okay. Go down to the end. Do the same thing, rinse, come around, get that other side. So there's one. Now I'm gonna let that, I could still go. I don't have to let that dry. It'll be okay. So I'm gonna come around to this side. Okay, go around. Really lightly on this side. Well, go ahead, darken that up. Okay. Then come around. Rinse. Now you might want to do it in sections because it might dry on you, but I'm going to see if I can do it fast. Okay, there's that side. Rinse. Get straight water. Wake up that line. Blend it out. I'm going to rinse again. Come around to this side. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead. Ooh, I went out of the line. I'm going to let this dry, and then we'll come back And I'm gonna just do this on this one too. So I'm gonna do each one of these lines darker, okay? So, and that's gonna represent our white. All right? Okay, thanks a lot.